Morning guys.
Morning.
Today we're off to
Florida.
and Natalie's got a Florida top on, if you can see it.
Sponsored by Taylor Swift.
Yeah. So we're absolutely buzzing. I think the last time we went to Florida was 9 years ago.
9 years ago.
9 years ago.
So much has changed.
Oh aye, so much has changed, can't wait man.
We're staying at the same hotel as we've stayed before. We're in at Point. We've never flew with TUI before.
Aye, this is the first time we'll be on the Dreamliner,
We're flying to Melbourne.
which is
instead
another
of
first.
MCO, so it'll be interesting to see that difference.
And so the day's going to just be like a wee travel day. We'll try and film as much as we can. As per usual, I never really know what to film, but we're booked into the lounge, so we'll try and show you as much of that as we can. We've got a long day ahead of us.
A very long day.
8.5 hour flight, and then we're about an hour or something away from the resort, which is not too bad I suppose actually, you know what I mean, but we've been up early, so aye, we'll be buzzing.
Yeah, can't wait this year. Like Epic Universe, I'm so excited for that.
Aye.
And we're going to Halloween Horror Night.
I know, and we're actually going to go to Disney as well a couple of days, so
Mickey's Not So Scary.
I can't wait to go to that, and Animal Kingdom to go on Pandora as well.
I'm so excited.
Right, so we'll see you on the other side. Yeah. just arrived at the hotel and we're going to go get a room. The funny thing was we actually get asked what room we want. We've never been asked before. So we're in 2313 overlooking the car park, which is not too bad. Should be quite quiet, I think.
Oh my goodness, another 1-3 over number 13.
Were we? Oh, it's lovely and cool in here, man, because it is roasting it there. But the room looks good. Just your typical, oh sorry, it's not focusing. Typical American room. Hold on, I'll take you through here. What we got? Where's the light switch in here? The bathroom. Low bathtub, looks nice and clean. Nice and clean here. We got a wee fridge and a microwave. And I think that's your wee, that for your coffee and that, isn't it? Yeah. Looks alright. Nice that the aircon's on, isn't it?